Hello everyone, welcome to Lake August Gardens. Today we'll be planting this beautiful blue Americana agave. This plant can grow 3 to 5 foot tall and up to 10 foot wide. It loves growing in the hottest, driest areas, does well on slopes and in gravel beds. Finally giving this area of the garden a little bit of attention. It gets blazing sun in the summertime, and so I thought this blue agave, it's called Americana, would be perfect. I will do a little bit of cleanup, but this area is still in the works. I've also been inspired to continue our circular theme and to make this section of the garden a rock garden. So I'll get the agave in the ground, and look, we got some babies on this one. So I'll put those somewhere else. But we'll get the agave in the ground, and then I'm gonna put a liner in and add some gravel and then a few boulders. So I've gotten the edging in, I've gotten my liner down, and now I'm dropping in a couple of loads of gravel. I'll get those raked in about 2 to 3 inches in depth. This does slope quite a bit in the back, so I will use boulders to prevent the gravel from sliding down. This bed still has some work to be done on it, so I'm not really worried about the backside getting it finished. I may put in some grasses or something to prevent erosion, but for now, I just want to focus on the front part of the bed and making sure that that circular design is really clean. So I'm just brushing the gravel from where I edged the bed so that it's nice, neat, and clean, and then I will get some boulders in place. So guys, this area right here is sloping quite a bit, so I'm gonna just put a log here underneath the tarp, and that should kind of stop the slope a little bit, and it'll hold some of the rocks, and then I'll put another one here at the end, and then I'll put a couple of more boulders here, and then the gravel should settle and stop the erosion. Now the liner should really help with weed suppression, and until we get this watered in, the logs should really prevent my gravel from rolling down the slope. All right, everyone, I have completed the project for today. There's still a little bit more work left to be done, but as you can see, I got the circular bed kind of defined where it'll go from the natural plantings to the stone rock garden. And then on the back edge, I think I'm going to tuck in the liner. You can see I'll just tuck that liner in, and I may do like a desert grass along the edge. This will be temporary because this will eventually be built out. It'll be raised up and be garden beds. It will tear down to a lawn area. But in the meantime, to keep my rocks from falling over, I may create some little border along the back. But nevertheless, from this perspective, as we sow grass seed in here and we get this to grow, this should be a nice consistent flow from this garden to the stone garden. You can see we have our agave planted. We were able to get some baby plants from that, so I'll find another location. We did integrate some stones. As this goes down towards the lake, I'm going to put in a couple of more big boulders just to hold all of that in place, and then I will come back and show you once it's completed. But for today, I think we made some good progress, and I'm very excited about how it has turned out. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'd love to see your recommendations of what we should add in this garden in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.